Mina from Egypt.
Hi, I'm Omar, and I'm from New York.
Hi, I'm Samantha. My Korean name is Soyoung, but I usually go by Samantha, and I'm from South Korea.
So my name is Mu Chang, and I go by MC, and apparently I'm from China.
All right, so listen, man, here's what you have to do. You all are going to go out in the hallway, and the two of you, you're going to have to say 3 phrases in both Mandarin and Korean. Okay, they're going to teach you how to say them. So we're going to just go on with class while you guys are busy, and you probably want to do it phonetically, like use your phone, and you don't have to memorize them because that's just not going to be possible, but you can do it phonetically. You write them in a way. Do you speak Spanish, bro? Okay. Well, you could do it however you want to do it. So that you can say them so the things sound exactly like they're going to teach you how they sound, all right? Are we cool?
So I'm Alex, and I'm from Taiwan.
Alex from Taiwan. Okay. Wait, do you speak Cantonese or Mandarin?
I speak Mandarin and Taiwanese a bit.
And Taiwanese? Wait, can people who speak Mandarin understand Taiwanese? Or more Cantonese?
Neither, I believe.
Really, neither?
Yeah.
Say, you're Taiwanese? Dude, are you Chinese? Do you mind if I... Dude, say Taiwan is its own nation. All right, say this then. Say Taiwan... Wait. Say Taiwan. Taiwan is an awesome place to live.
Taiwan是一个好地方. I kind of forgot how place.
You didn't get any of that? Dude, say any. What do you want to say? Just start saying anything. Do
Zimbabwe.
you know that? What's that? Sounds like Cantonese? Yeah, it sounds like Cantonese to you. Say something else. Say your full name.
我叫丢优苗.
And that's how you would say it in, that's in Taiwanese. Is that how you would say it in Mandarin? Say it in Mandarin.
我叫张永明.
Whoa. All right, hang on. Do that again. Say it in Taiwanese. Say it in Taiwanese first, and then say it in Mandarin. Your name.
我叫丢优苗. 我叫张永明.
Oh, damn, dog. That's really different. Did that sound different to you? You understand the Mandarin, yeah. Okay, all right, man. So one of those names is your name. But what do you go by, Patrick? Here? Oh, Alex, all right. Alex. Oh, the other guy was Patrick, I don't know. Okay, all right, man. Alex. How'd you pick Alex, by the way?
I forgot. I think someone just called me Alexander, then I just call myself Alex.
Yeah? I've always wanted to give someone a name, so... All right, bro. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Bro, what's your name?
My name's Henry.
Henry?
Yes.
Dude, Henry. You look like a Henry. You know what I mean? With a turtleneck. You got the whole thing going. Where are you from?
I'm from Pittsburgh.
From Pittsburgh? Yeah? Yeah, right. Okay. And what year are you?
I'm a sophomore.
Yeah, what do you study?
Finance.
Finance? All right, man.
I'm Stella.
Stella?
Yeah.
What's your Korean name?
It's Chayoung.
Chayoung?
Yeah.
And where did you get from? Who named you Stella? Where'd you get Stella?
Well, it was from the English teacher in Korea. He was just like one of those. Just one day they were like, "Let me give you an English name." I was like, "Okay." Like.
So you didn't have a name before he gave it to you?
I was just Chayoung, but like he was like, "Let's just like make up a like English name for you."
Which is not, which is pretty common,
yeah.
Right? The reason it's common because say your full name. Yeah, your full Korean name.
Oh Chayoung.
Oh
Chayoung.
Chayoung.
Yeah, it's O as in like O.
Chayoung.
Chayoung. Jayoung. Yeah.
So it's like a lot of names. Like you get tired of people butchering your name, and also right, people get tired of that.
They would say Jayoung a lot. So.
Jayoung. Yeah. Like bro, Alex, your name. I mean, wait, say it in Mandarin again.
张永明.
Yeah, so Alex, dude. I'm just going to call you Alex. Because I can try calling you by your Chinese name, but it's just like, I'm going to just butcher it every time. Like, so for me, wait, say my name, bro. S-A-M.
Oh, Sam, right, sorry.
Wait, say it again.
Sam.
Sam. No, it's Sam.
Sam.
Yeah. No. Dude, say my name.
Sam.
Sam. Oh, okay. You got. Yeah. No, the reason I say that is because we have this. I don't want to play into this trope of like English speakers or Americans or whatever. Like we can't pronounce other names. It's like everyone struggles with names. I mean, that's the nature of it. Like, and that's what's cool. And that's the one of the reasons we're just starting out with this case study is just to break down some barriers. You know what I mean? And so. Like people rarely pronounce my name the way I pronounce it growing up in the Midwest, right? Which is Sam. And but people some or some or something, right? But it's never which is fine. I don't mind. You can call me anything you want. It doesn't really matter, but the point being like it's a very simple name, S-A-M, and people don't necessarily get it right. Whatever right, there is no right, but you know what I'm talking about. Bro, let me ask you a question. What do you know about Koreans and Chinese?
Not too much. I mean, I don't really spend too much time around Koreans or Chinese people, so. But I don't know. I know that's as much as I'll say.
Well, say something. Give us something that you know.
Well,
to be true.
Okay. I guess one
You can
thing
pick
that's.
one too, by the way.
Pardon?
No, go ahead.
I guess Chinese people. I think you know what I'm gonna say. Chinese people are pretty good at math. Generally, they're pretty good at math.
That guy's pretty good at math. Yeah, pretty good at math.
Yeah.
Bro, Alex, is that true?
Yeah,
And
that's definitely true.
Korean people make good food as well. I'll say
Korean
that.
people make good food, but Koreans are. Wait, are there any Chinese in here who are bad at math? I mean, there's got to be. Is there anybody who's bad at math? Dude, seriously? There's one, by the way. All right.
Sorry, man.
That's the one guy at Penn State. He's like an art history major because he flunked out.
I don't know. I watch a bit of soccer, so I know that Son Heung-min. That's whenever I hear Korea, that's pretty much like what I'll think about usually. And other than that, I know. I mean, Seoul is a pretty cool city. So I'd say that's pretty much all I know about Korea. I don't know too much.
How long have you been here in the U.S.?
Well, I was here since 13 years old.
Oh, 13 years old.
Yeah.
That's why you said my name in the way that you did.
Yeah.
Sam.
I grew up in Oklahoma.
In Oklahoma?
Yeah.
What do you think is one of the biggest misconceptions about Korea that you've heard while here?
That everyone in Korea is like, K-pop level hot, I guess. I don't know. He just said about like math, like I'm pretty dog shit at math too, so.
Yeah, Koreans really match Chinese with math. Yeah, okay. Bro, what do you think is one of a big misconception about China? Where are you from in China, by the way?
I'm from Taiwan.
Oh, Taiwan. Are you from Taipei?
Yeah, my family used to live in Taichung, but we moved to Taipei a few years ago.
What is the coolest thing about living in Taipei?
The food.
The food?
So much better than America.
Dude. So now you gotta like move forward. Any other Taiwanese here in class? Any other Taiwanese in class? All right. Anyone been to Taiwan? Yeah. Would you agree? Food's killer? Yeah. Where are you from? Where's your ancestry from? Oh, dude, awesome, man. Okay, well you have one fan up here. So food. Any misconceptions about Taiwan? Other than
Now we have small eyes, probably.
they have small eyes? Bro, have you thought about that?
Yes.
Oh, you have?
Hey,
Dude,
everyone has.
when you say small, what do you mean small? Like smaller in the socket or smaller in, like, what do you mean small?
I don't know. I think it's just a general misconception that Chinese people, Taiwanese people have small eyes.
Yeah. All right. Stella,
Yeah.
is that a misconception? Or is that a conception?
Oh, it used to be back in the day, I think. But
What do you think? What do you mean when people say small? What do they mean small?
I think it's more like, kind of like the eyelids are more like closer and like
Yeah.
they're more like, I don't know, like spread sideways or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah. So like, listen, if you compare the skull of Alex and Henry, their eye sockets are the same. Like their eyeballs are the same. It's just that, there's an eye fold in the eye that can come down for East Asians a little bit more. And it's like the epicanthic eye fold. We'll talk about it later in class, but it's just that little flap right here in the corner of the eye that just kind of pulls the upper lid down a little bit. So it means it's like a little bit more narrow in that way as opposed to being really wide. So that's what's really important. Small eyes, because when I think eyes, I think of the eyeball and the eye socket. This is just the skin around the eyes. They're going to say what they're supposed to say. Your job is to see how good they are, who does a better job at speaking either Korean or Mandarin. And your job, we're going to start with Omar, and Omar is going to say something. Don't say whether you're going to say it in Korean or Mandarin, okay? You're just going to say one first and then the other second. All right? And then you have to decide, is he speaking Korean or is he speaking Mandarin? Okay?
Ano Hozayo, Tonin Omar Emenda, Wosher Omar.
Dude, the first one, was it Korean or Mandarin? First one was Korean? Uh-huh. And the second one was Mandarin.
뭐 하세요? 니민자 미야.
Dude, did you understand anything? Did the two of you understand anything that either of them said? What did they say in Mandarin? What did they say in Mandarin?
One of them said, "Hi everyone, my name's Omar." The other, I didn't understand.
기kum을 라이더 바이주. 소주 한 잔 투세요.
Dude, what did he say?
I heard soju.
Do the Mandarin one again.
Mandarin one again. I got you. 기kum을 라이더 바이주.
Kuman laba baju?
Did you understand it?
Did I say it wrong?
Dude, hang on, bro.
said it again.
Don't let.
I keep saying it.
They didn't understand a thing you said, but don't let that discourage you, right?
All right.
Remember how difficult Arabic is, right?
All right.
Do the Korean one.
소주 한 잔 투세요.
What do you say? Wait, can you give her the mic? What do you say?
Can I get a glass of soju?
Ah, dude, awesome, man. All right, can you say that one?
Oh, the exact same.
The soju one, yeah.
Soju Hanjun Teseyo.
That was, yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
So if he went into a restaurant or a bar in Korea, they'd know what he was saying.
Yeah, I think they will understand, yeah.
Dude, do the Mandarin one. Come on, man. You got to hold it. No, Omar. Do the Mandarin one. That's MC here.
Kekoma Laida Baijo.
What's that? Did he say
He
what?
said baijiu. That's white wine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like Baiju. Yeah, it's Baiju. So you understood that?
I heard baijo.
That's all? You heard Baiju? What's the second one, man?
기kum을 라이더 바이주.
给哥们来点白酒.
Yeah! Damn, dude. All right. Awesome, man.